Remember when we thought drinking water was the only thing we needed to do for skincare? Yeah, those days are over, sis. Listen, your 30s are fabulous. Personally, I love it here, although I'm kind of getting really close to the 40s. I do love it. But let's be real, our skincare does need to change in our 30s because we are changing. If you are like me and you barely have time to breathe, let alone a 20-minute skincare routine, then I get it. And that's why this video is for you. Now, quick disclaimer, because I know people get a little emotional. I am fully aware that being in your 30s is not old. Your 30s is still young. You're still thriving. But here's the thing, as we age, as we get better, our beauty routine, our self-care routine, it needs to upgrade with it. Because aging is not the enemy. Like, aging is a privilege denied to many, but it doesn't mean that we cannot be strategic with how we take care of ourselves. And I say this with love. But if you are still applying your makeup like you did in 2015, baby, it is time to give it up. It's time to upgrade it. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and why, because you deserve better. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Breonna Queen. I am an image consultant as well as an award-winning beauty blogger, but that is not all. I am also a new mom to baby who still wakes up multiple times at night. I'm a wife, I'm a dog mom, a business owner, someone who juggles a career, as well as trying to maintain a social life. Your girl is busy, but I still want to look put together. I still want to look pretty. I don't want to look like what I'm going through. And on this channel, I help busy women just like you look and feel more put together without needing a ton of time, effort, energy. So if that is your thing, I hope you would join the family and subscribe. Now, let's dive into these beauty tips for women who are 35 and plus. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because the last tip saved me so much time and saved me so much money. So you're definitely gonna stick around to hear that last one. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the first thing that has truly changed my skincare, my body. It's truly changed a lot. And I really didn't start getting into this until my mid-30s. And that is incorporating collagen into my diet. Like, baby, collagen is something that you need to be infusing into your diet. And collagen is not just a supplement trend. Like, let me tell you, when I started taking collagen, I noticed a huge difference in my skin, in my hair, even my bones. I am not as achy as I used to be. Every morning I drink a protein matcha latte with collagen. Y'all, I never thought I'd be a matcha girl, but I am. Listen, it is delicious. I drink my collagen every morning. It is so tasty. It's not nasty like it may sound. And my skin is so much more hydrated. My nails are so much more thicker. I recently got my hair cut and I feel like my hair is already growing back faster. And here's the thing when it comes to collagen. After 30, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, which is why you may start seeing changes in your skin, in your hair, and you may even feel it, like me, in your joints. Personally, for me, I feel like once I started getting in my 30s, my body did feel a little different. Not exactly at 30, but I feel like as I got older, I started to feel, okay, I'm feeling a little different. So collagen does help with that. And you can incorporate collagen a few different ways. You can do a powder like I do in my morning latte, or smoothie, or tea, or coffee, or whatever you want. You can take a pill, you can take a gummy, or if you're not really into taking supplements, you can do things like just drinking bone broth. I did that a lot when I was pregnant, just eating more foods that do include collagen. But this is definitely number one when it comes to like a beauty tip for women who are 35 plus. Baby, take your collagen, your biotin, take your supplements, take the things that are going to help keep you looking and feeling your best. Because the truth is, as we age, we do start to lose more nutrients. We do start to lose more vitamins. We do start to produce less of things. So you want to ensure that you are feeding your body the best things. That includes food, that includes drinking your water, and that also includes taking your collagen. Now, another tip I've started doing in my 30s, which I kind of wish I knew this earlier, is I do apply my makeup differently. As you get older, you will notice that you do start to get more fine lines. You do start to get more wrinkles. I don't really have fine lines, but I have noticed my face does look a little different. It looks a little older. So applying a whole bunch of concealer, it's just going to make me look older. It's just going to age me. I'm not trying to look older. I like the age that I look. So my makeup technique are different. Back in the day, I used to apply my makeup in a triangle direction and then I would just kind of blend. Whereas now I apply my makeup going in the upward direction for almost like a face lift. When I apply my concealer, I don't apply a triangle anymore. I don't apply a lot of concealer. I don't need it. And as I've gotten older, I've realized more product doesn't mean it's going to look better. It just looks worse. It just ages you. That's when it settles into your fine lines, into your creases, in your pores. And as I got older, my pores have become larger. So I don't apply as much of concealer. And then I do blend going upward for an instant face lift. And there's a difference between looking older and aging yourself. I am getting older. I'm going to look older. That is fine. I love that. Like I said before, age is a privilege not to many. However, I don't want to age myself, and I don't want to do things that are going to age me when they don't have to. And when you apply your concealer too low, it can actually make your face look droopy. And to me, the point of makeup is to look better. So by applying my concealer like almost like a facelift, it's going to make me look instantly better, instantly brighter, instantly more bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. If you're a busy girl who wants to apply makeup, that's take forever, but still looks nice, I do have a free makeup guide inside of my Glow Up resource library. This library, you get a skincare guide, you get a makeup guide, a fashion and style guide, a perfume guide, so many guides to help you look and feel your best, even if you're short on time. Just go to the show notes down below and get access, or go to breonnaqueen.com/glow for instant access. So my next tip is about serums. I am a serum girl. I have some videos where I talk about serums. I love serums. I feel like serums can really elevate your skin because they are such a concentrated, potent amount of an ingredient that you really get the effects of it, and I'll say you get more of it. But anyway, when it comes to being 35 plus, you should be incorporating serums into your skincare routine. And not just any serum. There are 3 serums I highly recommend that you incorporate into your skincare routine. The first one is vitamin C. Think of this as your morning hero. This is your morning bestie. Applying vitamin C every morning. It's going to help with any dark spots. It's going to help make your skin look brighter. It's going to help fight those free radicals that can age you. And additionally, it's going to help with your sunscreen. And yes, you should be applying sunscreen. When it comes to applying sunscreen, I recommend applying a moisturizer that has a sunscreen in it. If you're busy, you don't have time to apply all these products. So apply products that do more than one thing. Apply a sunscreen that's also a moisturizer. Apply a face wash that's also a light exfoliator. Applying skincare products that do more than one thing are going to allow you to save time while accomplishing the things that you need to do with your skincare routine. So the second serum I highly recommend is hyaluronic acid. Think of hyaluronic acid as your hydration queen. And I know the word acid, like having that word can be scary, but it's actually opposite for this. Hyaluronic acid is actually a gentler serum, which is why I recommend it. And hyaluronic acid is going to put more moisture into your face. It's going to make your face look more plump, more youthful, and it's going to give your skin the dewy, fresh, I just drank a gallon of water look. And you can apply vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in the morning. I do think both of those together work. So applying your face wash, and after your face wash, apply a vitamin C serum. Give that a minute or so to fully absorb into your skin. Apply your hyaluronic acid and then apply your moisturizer. And like I said, get your moisturizer that's also a sunscreen, so that's 2 in 1. So then you're out the door. Those are 2 serums I highly recommend that you use in the morning. It doesn't have to be every single morning, but I definitely think at least a few times a week it's really going to help you. And then the third serum I definitely recommend you start incorporating into your skincare routine is retinol. Retinol is going to improve your skin tone, wrinkles, fine lines, and it's going to also increase collagen production. And remember, I told you guys, as you get older, you start to lose collagen. Collagen is so important. Collagen is what helps you look younger. It keeps your skin looking plump. It keeps your skin looking hydrated. It keeps the elasticity of it. It improves the appearance of your skin. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines. And retinol is one of those things that you're going to want to use at night. I don't recommend using it in the morning just because the sun can cause skin damage. So you're going to want to apply your face wash, then apply your retinol, and then apply your moisturizer. And then, of course, always patch test. You never want to just go into something applying it. Make sure you do a little patch test to make sure that you don't break out, because you don't look like a spotted giraffe. In true story, I have applied serums and they have completely broke me out. So now I always do a patch test and then wait a day before fully applying it to my skin. And then also, you don't have to buy the most expensive serums. I have tried them all. Super expensive serums as well as cheaper serums. And some drugstore serums work just as well as the high-end ones. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. Don't think, oh, this is a $60 serum. It's going to work so much better than this $15 one. It's about the concentration amount in it. It's not always about the name brand or the price. So my next beauty tip is start incorporating more products that are cream-based. Cream-based products as you get older are really going to be your bestie as opposed to powder. Now, back in the day, your girl was a powder queen because my skin was really oily. I was applying a contour. My contour was powder, my blush was powder, my eyeshadows were powder, everything was powder. But as I've gotten older, my skin is not as oily as it used to be. That's normal. Your skin does tend to get drier as you get older. And then also I've noticed that Creams are just really gonna add more moisture back into my skin. They make your skin look more dewy, they last longer, and I feel like they're super easy to blend. You just do a little dab, blend it in, and go. So if you are a girl that's 35 and plus, start incorporating more cream-based products into your skincare. A cream-based concealer, a cream-based blush, a cream eyeshadow. Applying cream-based things are really going to help your skin as you age. My next tip is all about eyeliner. Remember back in the day we used to apply like black eyeliner on our waterline? It's aging you. A beige eyeshadow or like a champagne color underneath your eye is going to make you look more awake. It's going to make you look more bright-eyed. It's going to make you look more youthful. And additionally, while we're at it, applying a brown mascara under eye as opposed to a black mascara under eye is also going to make you look more awake and more bright-eyed. It's one of my favorite beauty tips. I do this whenever I do my makeup and it just really makes me look more awake. And then take it a step further, apply a little bit of into your tear ducts. This is a really great tip for that wide-eye look. If you are like me and you don't get your 8 hours of sleep, like I said, I got a baby that wakes up several times out of the night. If you are like me and you don't get all of your sleep at night, this is going to make you look so much more awake. It's like a fake sleep trick. Applying a shimmer type of eyeshadow to your tear ducts is going to make your eyes look more awake and make you look like you got all of your sleep. It's going to make you instantly look more youthful. And then my last tip, and this tip saved me so much money and so much time, is applying your eye cream the right way. And if you are not applying eye cream, that's the tip. Start applying eye cream, okay? But something that has truly helped me is applying my eye cream the right way. Back in the day, I would take my eye cream and I would low-key apply it like it was a moisturizer. And that is not how you apply eye cream. When you want your eye cream to be super effective, that ain't how you do it. Here's the proper way to apply your eye cream. This is what I wish I knew sooner so that my eye cream could have been more effective and I could have saved more money because I wasn't applying so much product. You first want to use your ring finger. Remember, it is the most gentlest finger that you have. Think like butterfly wings. You want to use your ring finger and you want to tap this into your under eye. You do not want to rub. Rubbing the tongue can actually increase wrinkles. It can increase fine lines. So you literally just want to tap that eye cream into your under eye. And you want to start with the outer corner and then work your way in. And then remember, use a pea-sized amount for both eyes. I was using a lot of eye cream underneath my eyes like it was a moisturizer and then wondering why it was not effective. I was applying too much and I was doing too much. You only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. And you want to make sure that you are tapping that eye cream into your skin so that it can actually absorb and be more effective. And you want to apply it in your orbital bone, not just underneath your eyes. And you can apply eye cream in the morning. You can apply it at night, whichever works for you. And then bonus hack, if you are exhausted and you need to like fake sleep, put your eye cream in the fridge. Coldness on your skin is actually going to make you look more awake and reduce under eye puffiness. Like I started applying eye cream correctly was I went from eye cream doesn't work for me, this isn't effective, spending all this money on eye cream, to wow, I'm actually seeing some results. And granted, you may not see instant results with eye cream, but just like with anything, you have to give it time. Give it time to work. Again, if you are a busy girl who is just trying to look her best, I do have some free guides just for you that go over skincare, makeup, fashion, style, improving your life, perfume. Get all these guides. They are free right now to download. Just go to BreonnaQueen.com/glow or down below in the comment box. Now, if you enjoyed these beauty tips for women who are 35 plus, you are going to enjoy my low maintenance beauty tips. And I will have that video right here for you to watch next. See you in the next video.